Rishabh Pant in a new role, in a new leadership role.
एक प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है।
Do you think
uh,
we'll see baseball like cricket from Indian team?
टेस्ला स्टॉक है, इज नॉट योर नारायण मूर्ति गाय।
दो दिग्गज विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा इस टीम में नहीं है।
Attacking is not a problem. अगर तुम conventionally attack कर रहे हो,
Scott Boland for that over was like, where do I bowl him?
You put a price on your wicket that you won't lose your wicket that easily. One of India's primary test batters in the last 5 or 6 years.
There are some innings where he has been playing like very, very horrendous shots. Okay, a thing
I am.
about Rishabh Pant. एक प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। It's that we still think like, I mean, we should not, but we still think of him as an like initial player or like an immature player, or you can call it whatever. Like he has given us the crazy Gaba win, but I mean, say apart from like some innings, there are some innings where he has been playing like very, very horrendous shots, and that was like a critical situation where he just gets out, he gives away his wicket. I personally think Rishabh Pant can take his time in England and just play out the tough phase, because वो उसका natural game वो अपने आप बाहर आ जाएगा, but just initially in the initial of his innings he should just watch out and just play out few balls, or don't try to overhit the ball, or don't try reverse sweep, reverse lap, whatever he did to Anderson in the last series. Reverse, I don't know what that shot was, but just don't try that initially.
Yeah.
बाद में जो करना है वो करो, but yeah, he is gonna play. He's vice captain 100%. He's the wicket keeper as well, so 100%.
100% from you. I'd like to go second here. I agree with Sahars. 100% from me also. Don't think that's a surprise here for anybody. Vice captain, wicket keeper, one of India's primary test batters in the last 5 or 6 years, has scored hundreds everywhere,
Yep.
including England before. So he has that experience of playing in England. बट मैं यहाँ पे ये बोलना चाहूंगा सर कि तुमने गैबा विन की बात करी, जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ऋषभ पंत ने एक अनबिलीवेबल इनिंग्स खेल के हमको जिताया। और वो इनिंग्स पे अगर आप देखो, अगर ऋषभ पंत अपनी नेचुरल गेम नहीं खेलते, जो उनका अप्रोच रहता है टू अटैक द बॉलर्स, अगर वो वैसे नहीं खेलते ना, हमको वो विन भी नहीं मिलती।
Yeah, definitely.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमको वो विन तब नहीं मिलती, क्योंकि
Yeah,
उससे
for
वो
sure.
प्रेशर प्रेशर आता है उनपे।
Hmm.
एंड आई एग्री विद यू कि ऐसे बहुत मोमेंट्स आए हैं, जितने मोमेंट्स उन्होंने हमको जीत के दिए हैं उतने ही मोमेंट्स उन्होंने हमको ऐसे भी दिए हैं जहाँ पे बहुत टर्निंग क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पे मैच होता है, एंड वहां से
more,
वो
more moments
मे बी
than
मोर,
the
यस
good.
यस,
More
मे बी
moments
मोर
than the
कि
good.
टर्निंग पॉइंट जहाँ पे बहुत क्रिटिकल है। एंड टेस्ट क्रिकेट में एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है दैट यू विल वैल्यू, you put a price on your wicket that you
Yeah,
won't lose your wicket that easily, and then Rishabh Pant will do something which will be very, in Sunil Gavaskar words, stupid.
stupid.
And then you're going to be like, why did he do that? Why did he play that shot? He should have stayed. He should have put a price on his wicket. He should have tried to play it longer, tried to soak in the pressure. But I think some players, and more so in this generation, their natural instinct is to attack. You know, when they say that the best form of defense is to attack, I think Rishabh Pant tries to put pressure on bowlers like Nathan Lyon, Jack Leach, James Anderson, Mitchell Stark. We have seen that in the past that he tries to attack them. And मैं खुद क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, मैं ये बता सकता हूँ, जब आप एक बॉलर को, एक बैट्समैन सडनली अटैक करने लगता है ना, तो बॉलर का रिदम बिगड़ जाता है, बिकॉज बॉलर एक सेट प्लान के साथ आता है। एंड जब बैट्समैन उस प्लान से हटके कुछ अलग कर देता है, देन यू सडनली हैव टू रीथिंक ऑल योर प्लान्स, इवैल्यूएट ऑन द फील्ड। वो करना इम्प्रॉम्प्टू इज लिटिल मोर टफ कंपेयर टू अगर आप पहले से ड्रेसिंग रूम से प्लान्स बना के आए हो। आई थिंक ऋषभ पंत क्रिटिकल है, बट हैविंग सेड दैट, मुझे लगता है उनको वाइस कैप्टेंसी जो मिली है उससे उनको एक एडेड सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Yeah.
मिलेगी। उनको समझ में आएगा कि अब दो दिग्गज विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा इस टीम में नहीं है, तो उनकी वैल्यू, उनका एक्सपीरियंस जरूरत होगा यहाँ पे। आई होप वो बैटिंग कर सकते हैं। फास्ट बॉलर्स का दबदबा ज्यादा रहेगा इंग्लैंड में, ये देखने लायक होगा कि ऋषभ पंत कैसी बैटिंग करते हैं उनके साथ। पुटिंग इट शॉर्ट, 100% फ्रॉम माई साइड ऑल्सो।
That is
So before I forget, I'll just build up on what Polly said. So first of all, I agree that a batter should only bat like how his predominant batting style is. I agree Rishabh Pant is an attacking batsman, and I do not, and I would not say that don't move away from that batting style. Be a attacker. But problem with Rishabh Pant is the shot he decides to play. Because you have seen him, attacking is not a problem. अगर तुम conventionally attack कर रहे हो, it's okay. But if you're going to be an innovative attacker in a place where you do not have to be an innovative attacker, समझ रहे हो, देयर इज नो नीड कि तुम भाई जमीन पे 2 बार गिरो सिर्फ
Mhm.
एक बॉल को पीछे मारने के लिए, या तुम एक ऐसी पोजीशन में आ जाओ जहां पे तुम्हारे बैट स्विंग के अंदर तुम्हारा एक हाथ ही छूट रहा है। सो
Plus point.
समझ रहे हो उस बात को? आई वुड वांट टू से कि गो अटैक, मनाही नहीं है भाई, अटैक कर, किसने मना करा है, बट ऐसा अटैक मत कर वेर यू हैव लेस चांसेस टू सक्सीड इन दैट अटैक।
Right. So you're saying attack, play the attacking game,
But
but
play in
make
the B or something.
play better shots, play wise
या
shots,
आई वुड से बिकॉज
play scoring shots, but not
यस,
risky shots, right?
yeah, I would say that because when Rishabh Pant starts playing and then he starts to get his rhythm, he also starts to lose his game sense of gameplays. Because then you'll start seeing him hitting sixes with one hand. Because there have been times where I've seen him hit 3 sixes, and all those 3 sixes that he has hit, he has left the bat with one hand in half the swing. Okay? There have been times where I've seen him play shots that I haven't seen anyone play to a fast bowler, and he has gotten out in a critical situation like that. It would be better for Rishabh Pant to play his natural game, but to understand the opportunity he has been given and for at what stage he has been playing. Because how you said that Sunil Gavaskar, how irritated or how disappointed he was with Rishabh Pant. I think he was only disappointed with him for one reason, was at a stage that you're playing at, and then you decide to just throw your wicket out with such irresponsible behavior, such irresponsible gameplay. That is not what you need to show at that level. And now, since he's the vice president, vice captain, vice captain, so it would be much better if he shows that sense of matureness and responsibility in his gameplay. Because he's not debuting or he's not playing his first series. It's been a long time already now.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. I agree with you, Roger, totally. I think there has to be a balance between being aggressive at the same time being responsible. On a lighter note, I think Rishabh Pant is like a Tesla stock. It's a high risk, high reward kind of a situation. It's a very high risk, high reward kind of a situation. Players like Rishabh Pant can win you games from where you wouldn't even expect to win.
Yeah.
Players like Rishabh Pant can also spoil games from a situation where you are like, we have to go from
Winning.
here. It's like a high risk, high reward, but it exciting times. That is which makes me more excited for this particular series to see Rishabh Pant in a new role, in a new leadership role. Official, maybe he was in the leadership role unofficially before, but now he's in an official position of the vice captain. So let's see how this brings change in his batting style. Personally thinking, I don't think there will be much change, and there shouldn't be. But hopefully he can be more responsible. I totally agree with you, but are you giving him 100% chance to feature in the
Yeah, he will definitely feature. He's a wicket keeper, first wicket keeper.
perfect. So Rishabh Pant, without a doubt,
100%.
100% from both of us.
I agree
Which
on with Rajat point. Just one small note is that I think he should play those shots, those like weird shots that he plays, square cut, reverse sweep, whatever he wants to play. Just he just needs to analyze the situation of the game and play his shots. Like that shot is very important to put off a bowler of his length. Like I saw in Australia
absolutely,
what he did to Scott Boland. Scott Boland for that over was like, where do I bowl him? Because he was hitting him on this side and then going that side. So
exactly.
it's important to do that as well. But yeah, Tesla stock, eh? He's not your Narayan Murthy guy. That is
No,
70
he's
hours, give
not.
me claw, give me
He's
back.
different. एब्सोल्युटली टोटली वो ऋषभ पंत जब बैटिंग करेगा मोमेंट्स बनेंगे टेस्ट क्रिकेट को वो इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएगा और ऐसा ही होगा
Unpredictable
वो
है.
एकदम अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है बॉलर को एकदम और मैंने बोला ना उनकी थिंकिंग एकदम से ऑफ द ट्रैक चली जाती है और बॉलर
Mhm.
हक्का बक्का हो जाता है एकदम
गाइस, मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा, ठीक है ना? सूर्य कुमार यादव does the same thing to the bowlers, but you will never see him getting out in a very stupid way.
Yeah, that
A bowler as well, when he bowls to Surya Kumar Yadav, you as a person who's watching this, you will have no idea where the hell did Surya Kumar Yadav hit that shot out of. And I think he recently did that in one of the games as well in IPL. कि पता ही नहीं था भाई कहाँ से एक बॉल आई, कहाँ बॉल चली गई, nobody know.
Hmm. Yeah.
So but he doesn't get out in a situation where you think कि भाई क्या कर रहा है भाई, क्या कर रहा है तूने? What the hell, like where you're left
Yeah.
speechless.
You're right. And
Yeah,
before सूर्य कुमार यादव ने ये केवल वाइट बॉल में करा है, एबी डिविलियर्स ये तीनों फॉर्मेट में करते थे. सो आई थिंक
हम्म
yeah,
आई थिंक ऋषभ पंत अगर he can be more of a AB de Villiers than being a
हम्म
Surya Kumar, that would benefit
हम्म
Indian cricket.
हम्म
As I think we are all on the same page. It's just
yeah.
that if Pant keeps playing like this in a more responsible, he can mix aggressiveness and responsibility. I think there could be no better thing than that. And I think then
Yeah,
Rishabh Pant will become, he already is, but he will become
Uh,
an even bigger match winner for Team India,
playing
totally.
like this, he has an average of 42. So if
like which
still
He
is,
is
batting,
ICC test ranking is number 9 right now.
yeah,
yeah. And 42 का average. That's thanks for sharing, sir. मुझे तो
very
idea
good.
नहीं था. If I am not wrong, Virat Kohli has retired with an overall career average of 46, if
40,
I'm not wrong.
yeah, 46, 47.
So that is not too far from where Rishabh Pant is right now at 42.
Yeah,
Uh, and as you rightly said, playing like this. So let's see. Exciting times. जैसा मैंने कहा यार, मैं बहुत excited हूँ ऋषभ पंत को बैट करते देख. 6 नंबर पे वैसी बैटिंग बेस्ट होगा if openers give us a good start. And by the time
yeah.
Rishabh Pant comes, by the time Rishabh
Ball
comes,
is so
we are
old.
ball is old. We are at a dominant, comfortable position of let's say 350 for
Yeah,
5. And then Rishabh comes and plays like a 40 ball, 80 run innings
yeah,
there.
it doesn't matter.
What more do you want? Right?
Yeah.
Do you
Uh,
think we'll see baseball like cricket from Indian team? Because Gautam Gambhir and our ex-captain Rohit Sharma have said before that India would want to play a striking, attacking cricket more from from how they used to play before with the new additions in the team.
yes, I think we will see. In the first test, we will 100% see an aggressive form of cricket being played by the Indian team, especially with from batters like Jaiswal, Rishabh Pant, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Ravindra Jadeja. If that doesn't really work out well, and God forbid things go south for us in the first test, we don't play well, maybe we lose, there will be a change in the approach that we play cricket because then Shubman Gill will panic and the team, there will be a message that we have to be there, bat there for long, put runs on the board.
Yeah.
If not, and if India plays really well with this aggressive approach, which I think they will, then yes, I think for the tone of the 5 test matches will be like this from both of the teams.
Yeah, मेरे हिसाब से भी I think if openers give them a good start, then they're gonna play fast because that's the template. I think that is the template India has also followed. So I mean, baseball you can call it or whatever. It's jazz ball. We see
Gas.
it's jazz ball now.
G
So
G
Yeah.
is G is that Gambhir है ना?
So yeah, I mean,
Gumball,
बढ़िया.
Gumball.
It would be good answer. मैंने तुम्हें कहा यार, पहले 20 ओवर के बाद और अगर धूप निकल आई, इंग्लैंड में बैटिंग करना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है. यस, ड्यूक
हाँ,
बॉल 50 ओवर के बाद भी कभी कभी स्विंग करती है, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. बट आई थिंक इफ एज सहर्ष सेड, ओपनर्स अगर 15-20 ओवर तक खेल गए ना,
हाँ,
and
that's
if
all
we're
you need
batting, then we are going to see 400, 450, maybe 500 being breached.
in one day, probably.
That would be amazing.
Probably
It
day
would be
one.
like,
A dream.
I was really excited for the Border Gavaskar Trophy last year, November, December, January
Yes,
this year. But this series, I am a little more excited. I'm not sure about you guys, especially because I am not happy that Rohit or Kohli chale gaye. But I knew that sooner or later this day will come. So I am excited to see how the unit plays without Rohit and Kohli. चाहे वो रोहित कोहली परफॉर्म करे या नहीं करे, उनका ड्रेसिंग रूम में होना अपने आप में एक सेंस ऑफ कंफर्ट देता है आपको, प्लेयर्स को, है ना. वो
yeah,
नहीं होगा. एंड कोचिंग स्टाफ भी रिलेटिवली न्यू ही है. मतलब गौतम गंभीर को 1 साल भी आई थिंक नहीं हुआ है इंडियन टीम के साथ अभी भी. तो मुझे ये देखने में मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ कि इंडिया ये सीरीज कैसे खेलती है. और इंग्लैंड में टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखना लाजवाब. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ वॉशिंगटन डीसी में सुबह 5 बजे उठ के भी मैच देखने को बिना किसी झिझक के एकदम तैयार हूँ.
ये मैंने किया है और इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया किया है मैंने 5 बजे उठ के, तो
बिल्कुल
मजा आएगा.
नाइस, मजा आएगा. सो ऋषभ
तो
पंत 100%